Hello, in this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on REALME GT7. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume down button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds. And you can let go of power button when you see a logo on your screen. And as you can see, I'm now in recovery mode, and you have to select your language with volume buttons and then press power button to confirm your choice, and I'm in recovery mode. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.